बी एक्स जेड। सो ये पहला टर्म क्या आ जाएगा, 2x² z आएगा, ठीक है। सो नाउ कैन वी डू समथिंग, कैन आई टेक z आउटसाइड? So if you take z outside, you will be having 2x² plus 2y² plus x, and that is dx dy, like that. 2x² 2y² plus x, ठीक है। Now what? Can I take again some? Can I do something now? What is my z? Can I put my z in terms of xy? Do you know what is z? Z equal to 1 minus x square minus y square. So I can put my z in terms of x square minus x and y. So everything will be in x and y only. And this is 2x² plus 2y² plus x dx dy. So I already told you, whenever you are having x square y square together, so best thing will be to take the parameterization, correct? So if you take the parameterization, then what? Your x will be r theta, r cos theta, and y. So it will be 0 to 2 pi, and what will be your r? 0 to 1. So this will be 1 minus r square, and what will be this? 2, this will be 2 as it is, 2r square plus r cos theta, and dx dy is replaced by r dr d theta. I hope that is clear to you. Correct? See, our integration ka term should be in xy, everybody, correct? So that is what I did here. Earlier यहाँ पे z मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं किया, बिकॉज r of x y डायरेक्ट पुट करता तो थोड़ा इस बेटर है, यहाँ पे किया after taking z outside. So main thing is you need to make everything in terms of your parametric coefficient, parametric variables. So अभी ये हो गया, just you need to solve this and find the integration, that's it. You are having one term only with the cos. Okay, just open the bracket and check क्या आता है. So it will be 2r square, and r is again there, so it will be 2r cube plus r square cos theta minus, okay, I'll write it in the next page, 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 1, 2r cube plus r square cos theta minus 2r raised to 5 minus r raised to 4 cos theta, and that is dr d theta. So that is simple to do, simple integration, ठीक है। यहाँ पे 2 pi cos theta is there, so integration of cos theta it will be here. So 0 to 2 pi 1 by 6 plus 2 cos theta by 15. You just please verify this thing, and then this will be 2 pi by 6, yeah, 2 pi by 6, and integration of cos is 0, so this will be 0. You just verify that also. Sin 2, because cos का क्या आएगा, sin आएगा, and sin 2 pi, sin n pi is 0 always, so answer will be your 2 pi by 6. Let us go through the solution once again. You are given a function, you will given a parameterization. Sorry, in this case it was in polar form, that is no, what is that called, implicit. So we started finding the parameterization first. R of xy is equal to, whenever you are having z equal to f of xy, so better way to put z, R of xy is xy, and last term will be as it is. So R of xy is 1 0, rx ry, that is with partial derivative with respect to x, with respect to y, find rx cross ry, and as our definition was, that is this will be f of rxy dot rx cross ry, and just put it in the equation, that's it. Okay, yeah, let me just quickly give you one exercise. You just try to solve it right now only. Be ready with your notebook. Yeah, this is 2xyi plus 2yzj plus 2xzk upward across the portion of the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 6 that lies above the square. 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 3 and y is less than equal to 3 is less than 3 in xy plane. Yeah, I'll give you 2 minutes. Quickly do the parametrization and complete the question first. What should you consider the parametrization? Anybody? Quickly complete that. First tell me what should you consider the parametrization. This question is same as the previous one, so I don't think so problem होना चाहिए कुछ इसमें. Yes, parametrization बोलो कोई. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. Can I write z equal to 6 minus x minus 1? Very nice, very nice. X comma y comma 6 minus x minus y. Correct? Rx बोलो. 1 0 minus 1. Ry 0 1 minus 1. Correct? Will you do that Rx cross Ry quickly? I J K and this is 1 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1. बोलो ये फटाफट क्या आएगा. For I it will be minus 1. It will be just I. For j it will be plus j. For k it will be will it be minus I? Check once again. I think I plus j plus k आ रहा है शायद. Okay, good. So is that correct? I plus j plus k. That is I should write 1 1 1. Correct? So what is the formula? Double integral f of r of x comma y multiply by rx cross ry. So let us quickly do that and जो भी है ds dxy. This will be double integral f of rx ry. We want everything in terms of x and y, na? So let us write first, then later on we will put the value of z. Correct? So it is 2xy and 2yz and 2xz, na? So let me write 2xy 2yz and 2zx. ठीक है. इवन z अगर पुट कर दिया इधर भी तभी भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं. जस्ट आई वांटेड टू मेक ये 1 1 1 आएगा एंड दिस इज dx ही रखते हैं अभी. ठीक है. So this will be dot product will be 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx and now dx dy अगर put कर रहे हो तो you need to make substitute z and limit you are having for x and y. Correct? What is limit for x and y? I think 0 to 3 for both. So this will be 2xy as it is plus 2y. What is the value of z? 6 minus x minus y, na? And here also 2x common, 6 minus x minus y, and that is that's it. Correct? And this is dx dy. You just complete that. Open the bracket and tell me the final answer. Just verify. Wait. चेक वेदर तुम लोग को भी यही मिल रहा है क्या? पक्का? भाई तू ही देख ले। जमीन। अरे डिटर्मिनेंट निकालना है भाई। हाँ निकाल, एक बार मेरे सामने निकाल। हाँ स्क्रीन पे है। जी का तूने माइनस नहीं लिया होगा यार, सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट। डिटर्मिनेंट मत बोलो यार। ठीक है। ना कंप्लीट दैट क्या आएगा ये इंटीग्रेशन? दैट यू कैन डू। I'll just give the final answer. You verify correct है क्या? 297 by 2. Yeah, minus 297 by 2 is the final. ठीक है। Now as in the line integral, अगर पैरामीटराइजेशन कोई भी लिया, सरफेस इंटीग्रल का वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होएगा। जैसे ये देखो, द सरफेस, यू कैन राइट अ नोट। सरफेस, जैसे किसी ने दूसरा पैरामीटराइजेशन लिया, तुमने दूसरा लिया, करेक्ट। इंटीग्रल इज independent under a change of parameters। ठीक है, under the change of parameters। नाउ some मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जिस पे मोस्टली तुम्हारे एग्जाम में भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, I'll define that, that is curl। So if you are having f as f1i, f2j and f3k, so there are two terms that I am going to define now। The first one is curl। Curl of f, if I say curl of f, that means that will be del cross f। What do you mean by del cross f? It will be I, j, k. Del means what? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z, and your f will be f1, f2, f3 like that। Correct? You just have to find the determinant। जो भी आएगा कर्ल विल भी एक वेक्टर रहेगा। करेक्ट? ठीक है। So curl is del cross f, and one more thing is divergent। divergent div, divergent of f, right? Divergence of f cap is defined as del dot f, dot f, del dot f क्या आएगा, डॉट प्रोडक्ट ना डायरेक्ट, so it will be dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z, ठीक है. So if you are given any function f bar, then you can find curl and divergence for that. हाँ, इस पे क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में रहेंगे तुमको. देयर विल बी सम फंक्शन, यू जस्ट हैव टू चेक. हाँ, एंड डू यू ऑब्जर्व समथिंग, इसमें से विच वन इज स्केलर एंड विच वन इज वेक्टर. What about curl f, whether it is a vector or scalar? Yes, that is clearly visible. Correct, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट है तो वेक्टर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस इज स्केलर, डॉट प्रोडक्ट है. ठीक है, सो ये रिमेम्बर, ये याद रखना, बिकॉज इन योर ऑप्शंस देयर मे बी कि कर्ल पूछा है लेकिन आंसर उसका स्केलर में दिया है ऐसा. सो वेन एवर यू जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट पार्ट. ठीक है. या लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू अ एग्जांपल. सपोज आर बार इक्वल टू एक्स वाई जेड, एक्स आई वाई आई जेड, ऐसा लिखना चाहिए था बट दैट इज ओके. सपोज आर बार इक्वल टू ये दिया है हम लोग ने. सो फाइंड कर्ल, और चाहिए तो इसको एफ भी बोल दो अगर तुमको, इफ यू वांट इट. एफ बार इक्वल टू लाइक दैट. फाइंड कर्ल एफ and find divergence of f quickly. What is curl f? Del cross f. What is divergence? Del dot f. Next, what is curl? Anyone? Okay. So zero मतलब क्या? It should be a vector ना? Correct. So you can put 0 bar, चलेगा वो भी. Good. And what about divergence? 3. Everybody? Yes, everyone. Do you agree? Uh, do you remember scalar triple product? That is whenever you're given E dot B cross C. Do you remember that? ये क्या होता है? If you're having 3 vectors actually. What is that? What is A dot B cross C? That is also called scalar triple product. 12th standard actually. अरे यस सर बोलो, फिर किधर गया? करेक्ट, गुड. डिटर्मिनेंट यहाँ पे E का वेक्टर एंड इधर B एंड इधर C. गुड. ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विल सी. Okay, now there are some properties, or you may quickly verify, इसमें कोई वो नहीं है, that is if you are having curl of grad grad f, that is 0 0 बार, हाँ। ग्रेड मतलब ग्रेडियंट वेक्टर, ग्रेडियंट इज सेम एज योर डाइवर्जेंट, जो भी हम लोगों ने बोला डेल डॉट, इसको ग्रेडियंट ग्रेडियंट भी बोलते हैं। ग्रेडियंट तो अपना पुराना ही नोटेशन है, पुराना ही वर्ड है, दैट इज नॉट न्यू टू अस। सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रूव, कैन यू क्विकली वेरीफाई, कैन यू क्विकली प्रूव दैट? I'll just give that to exercise to you. You just verify. And one more, that is divergence of curl, that is 0. You see यहाँ पे मैंने 0 बार लिखा है, यहाँ पे 0. You need to see, हाँ ये कर्ल है, curl will give you a vector, and divergent will give you a scalar. हम्म, इसमें से एक तो डायरेक्ट ही दिख रहा है, कौन सा वाला? विच वन? डू यू सी ये वाला? ये क्या बोल रहा है? Divergence of curl, that means what? This is del dot curl f, but what is the curl f? That is del dot del cross f. Do you see a scalar triple product here? Yes, in which two rows are same, so it is a determinant. Scalar product is determinant. If two rows are same, then determinant will be 0. So one part is that is easy. Second part you just verify. ठीक है? So there will be some question based on this. There are some properties with curl and divergent. I'll just state that, and they are easy to verify. V2 vector fields. Then prove that, that is divergent of f plus minus g, that will be same as divergence of f bar plus minus divergence of g, and curl of f bar plus minus g, that is equal to curl of f bar plus minus curl of g. Okay, one, two, some more, that is curl of curl f, that is equal to grad of divergent of. Proving these all thing is not a difficult task. Del square f cap. Okay, and if there is some scalar अगर multiplied है तभी भी, if there is some scalars, say like that, divergent of phi f cap, that will be phi times divergent of f cap plus f cap into del phi. It is something like sorry, UV rule, something like that, if you see properly. phi is some scalar field, you can say. I should have wrote it in the upper one. And if I say curl, in case of curl of phi f cap, so this is vector, this is scalar, huh? So this will be phi into curl f plus del phi cross f cap. Verification is quite easy in this case. और क्या है, even one more thing is that if you are having divergence of f cross g, product of two, that is cross product, so it will be g bar dot curl f minus f bar डॉट कर्ल जी, यहाँ पे माइनस आ जाएगा.